Welcome to the Jane Doe Sisters. Today I'm going to make some lava. My little sister's eating some breakfast, so that's why I'm doing it by myself. Let's first put some baking soda in. Okay. Now let's put some oil in. Okay, whoopsies. Now I'm going to put some vinegar in the food coloring, then I'll mix it. Wrong way, whoopsies. Okay. There we go. Now let's mix it. Okay. Let's first put this one here. Okay, let's put whoa, look at those bubbles over there. Oh, did you see that? Big bubbles? Look at those bubbles. There's so much little bubbles. Do you see it? There's still some vinegar on the bottom. You can see the vinegar. Well, bye guys. Have a nice day.